My mother taught me to always bring a gift if I'm invited to someone's home. And people always ask me, how do you create those perfect charcuterie boards when we come to your house? This is what I do. I create gift baskets for my friends with everything I love to use for the charcuterie boards. I put crackers in. I put grainy mustard because for me, it's everything. I find wonderful salamis. These are from Olympia Provisions, who I love their product. Make sure you have jams for your cheese, perhaps an onion jam that you picked up on a trip, like this one. Truffle honey always. And don't forget the dried fruit for the cheese. Crackers, dried fruit, mustard, olives, and your salamis. You've got a charcuterie board.